If there's a head coach or a coach representative from Powell MMA Fitness, please report to the awards area. Again, if there's a head coach from Powell MMA Fitness, please come to the awards area for the No Gi Team Awards.
Hold it. Take it back. Seatbelt. Get your seatbelt and your hooks. Hooks in. Get your hooks in. There you go. That's one. Drive it through. Drive that right leg through. There you go. Get the other hook. Don't let his knee in. Watch his knee. There you go. Watch his knee. Bring your right elbow to your left. Put your right knee on him. Put your right knee on him.
Gotta go. Short time, go.
Get back, get the hooks in, both hooks.